Pneumatic retract systems are really not as complicated as you might think on the surface. And honestly, once you set them up, they can be sometimes more reliable than the electronic systems. Let me show you what I'm talking about. You've basically got only a handful of components that you have to worry about. You essentially have a tank, which you can think of as a battery equivalent to an electronic system. The tank stores the air that you charge up, and then you have a valve. This valve is a proportioning valve that allows you to slow the retract and deployment of your retracts. And this valve simply operates by a servo. It goes in and out. And you can adjust that through your radio or mechanical linkage setup on your model. You also have a retract itself, where an air piston is controlling the retract mechanism. And you have a valve that is controlling the up and a valve that is controlling the down movements. And all of these are connected using tubing, which you can think of as wires. So essentially you've got all the same components. You have a battery, a servo, or in this case a servo controlling a valve, wires that are the tubing, and then the retract mechanism itself. So just like any retract mechanism on any other model that's an electric retract mechanism, it just involves some planning, strategic positioning, and some initial setup. It's nothing too terribly difficult. You just have to play with it and have some fun in your shop.